Hello everyone, welcome to another Solana video. Now today in this video, I will show you how to create a Solana wallet in 60 seconds. Now this is going to be Phantom wallet, as you can see. Make sure to go to phantom.app, click download here. And if you click download here, you will see that you can download it for your Chrome, Brave, Firefox, or Edge. Now I would suggest you to use Chrome for this download, and then you can also download it for mobile as well. Now we'll be downloading for Chrome, so click on your Chrome here and make sure to add this to your Chrome. Now after you added this to Chrome, you will have the process of creating your Phantom wallet. This is how it will look like. So first, you will have to create new wallet, then you will have a secret recovery phrase. Make sure to save that secret recovery phrase somewhere on offline, not on your computer, and then make sure to copy this, right, and paste it on a notepad, right, just for a couple of seconds, right, and then click OK. I saved it somewhere, and then you'll have to go through the process of verifying the seed phrase, and then you will also have to create a password for your wallet as well, which will secure your wallet. Now again, make sure not to share this with anyone, but make sure to copy paste this on your real life notepad, not notepad on your PC, right? So your offline notepad, and then you will whenever Phantom wallet will ask you maybe for this, right, you just need to put this in your Phantom wallet, and then that's it, right? Now keep in mind, not a single person from Phantom wallet support or anyone that works from Phantom wallet will ask you for this keyword phrases. So this is just so you can use your own wallet with your own privacy. So just make sure that you know that. So that's pretty much how to create Phantom wallet in 60 seconds or less. If you have any questions, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.